Arun Chandran's PLR on PLR. You get 2 for 1 with this product. It's a course for you to learn how to make money with PLR, how to repurpose it, how to change it and make it yours, and you can resell this because it's PLR. You could turn it into a course and sell it as yours. I'm going to show you what this product is, how amazing it is. There is a link below this video. Get it. This is something that you really want in your business. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. This is the sales page, and the question is, are you tired of buying PLR and struggling to use it? Do you want to monetize your content and even sell your own PLR? I don't know about you, but I have a computer full of PLR. Now, I know how to change it, repurpose it, rebrand it, put my name on it, and I know how to sell it. So if you want to learn how to do that, this is a wonderful course. It's not a lot of money. There is a link below this video. Get it. I'll show you the upsells and everything. Arun is one of the good guys in this business. He tells you the straight truth. This is a product that, like I said earlier, not only will you learn from it because it's a course, but it's also PLR, and you can change it and sell it as yours. So, you know, when you buy this product, you'll get your money back once you start selling it. It's 5 pieces in the initial product. The first one is the PLR 101 Basics. And this is the product that you get when you download it. Here's the text and the Word files. And you can change it, make it yours, and repurpose it. The second program in this product is personalizing and rebranding your PLR. That's a mouthful. So it's basically how to change, repurpose, and rebrand your PLR. Now, I did a video about that. This is a course. So you get it in text and you get it in Word, and you can change it. Put your name on it. I just opened up one of the Word files, and this is what it looks like. It's plain and ordinary. What you want to do is maybe change the heading, change some of the text inside, put some images, and make it pretty. Make it yours. Turn it into a real product. And you'll get that in step number 2. Product number 3 in the course is how to monetize your PLR and turn this into a real business. The last 2 are the advanced PLR strategies, and you really want to know that. And lastly is how to sell your own PLR. When you're at that point, you're in a real business. You're making money. And isn't that why we're doing this? To make a real business out of this. When you get this course, you'll have everything you need to know to use PLR, make money with PLR, and sell PLR. Truly, I wish I had this 10 years ago. And right now it's $67. It's really inexpensive. You'll resell it as your own course, put your name on it, and you'll make your money back. Now, there are 3 bonuses that are stunning. They're not on the sales page. I think they're hidden bonuses, but you're going to get them. The first one is my trusty list. It's from Arun, and these are all the vendors, the producers, the PLR people that he trusts in this business. There's some shady characters on the internet, and this is something that you really want to have. I use this all the time, and I trust Arun, and these are the people that he trusts himself. Next is rebrand that damn PLR. This is one of the 3 bonuses, and it's worth the price of the entire course. It's that good. And some free stuff that you can get. These are 3 amazing bonuses that will enhance your PLR business. Upsell number 1 is the PLR on PLR lead magnets. Lead magnets are perfect to promote your business, build your email list, and get some traffic. And without an email list and traffic, you're out of business. So these are perfect for you. So this is what you get. The first one is 7 common PLR mistakes to avoid. And you get a 24-page book. So it comes with everything. It gives you the squeeze page. It gives you the graphics. It gives you the text. You have all the files as part of the product. The second one is 15 PLR monetization ideas. Again, you get the whole schmeal. You get 7 modules. It's 23 pages. It's a real book. You get the squeeze page. You get all the files. And same thing with lead magnet number 3, 5 rules to follow when buying PLR. Number 4 is 10 useful tips for PLR sellers. And number 5 is 7 secrets to using Business in a Box PLR. A lot of people make big mistakes with a Biz in a Box PLR. You'll see what it is and you'll learn a lot. You'll get a guide on how to use the lead magnets, and there's 3 more bonuses. Geez, really, you get a lot, and it's $47. Highly recommend. Get it, use it, make some money. And lastly, 10 PLR infographics. Now, they are not PLR that you can change. You cannot put your name on it. These are infographics about PLR. You could put it on your blog, you could put it on your website, you could put them in your emails, social media. You cannot give them away, and you cannot resell them. So if you go into Fiverr and have someone do this for you, it probably costs you at least $50, if not more, to do this. So this is already done for you. And when you see the price, it's jaw-dropping. And this is what they look like. They're infographics about PLR. Repurposing, making money. And these are hand in hand with the course. And for the price of a donut and a cup of coffee, this is something you should really get. For $13, just get this. All the links are below this video. So this is perfect for your PLR business. If you want to learn how to use PLR and you can sell this, this is a perfect combination for you and your business. All the links are below this video. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.